In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly back up your emails from your current provider and set them up with Hostinger. Whether you're changing hosting providers or just looking for a more efficient way to manage your emails, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. First things first, we need to log in to the Hostinger H panel. This will be our main hub for managing everything related to your email. If you're not familiar with H panel, it's Hostinger's intuitive control panel where you can manage your hosting services. Go to the Hostinger website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard with various options. This is where we'll begin our journey, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if needed. With hPanel open, our next step is to create email accounts that match the ones you had with your old provider. This is crucial for ensuring a smooth transition. Click on the Email section in the hPanel, then select Email Accounts. Here you'll find an option to create new email addresses. Make sure to replicate each email account you had before, ensuring that all names and domains align perfectly. This will help prevent any disruptions or mismatches in communication during the migration process. Now that we've set up your accounts, it's time to migrate your emails. You have two main options here: using the IMAP migration tool or manually importing them via an email client. If you choose the IMAP migration tool, this is generally the most straightforward method. Navigate to the email section again and look for Import Emails. Hostinger provides a user-friendly IMAP migration tool that guides you through the necessary steps, making it easy to transfer your messages. Alternatively, if you prefer or need to do it manually, you can use an email client like Outlook or Thunderbird. This involves setting up both the old and new email accounts in the client, then simply dragging your emails from the old account to the new one. It might take a little more time, but it ensures a hands-on approach for those who prefer it. The final step in our process is updating your MX records to point to Hostinger. This step is crucial because it ensures that all future emails will be delivered to your new Hostinger accounts. From the hPanel dashboard, find the DNS zone editor under the Domains section. Here, you can delete your old MX records and replace them with Hostinger's MX records. This change might take some time to propagate, so don't worry if it's not instant. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully backed up your emails and migrated them to Hostinger. Remember, while this process can seem daunting, take your time and go through each step carefully to ensure a smooth transition. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Hostinger's support team is always available to help.